Did you hear that Sir is retiring this month?
Yes, I heard that Sir is retiring this month.
Why are you retiring from your government job?
I am retiring because I am completing 60 years of age.
How many years did you work in this department?
I worked in this department for 35 years.
What position did you join as?
I joined as a junior clerk.
What position are you retiring from?
I am retiring as a section officer.
How do you feel about your retirement?
I feel happy and a little emotional.
Why do you feel emotional?
I feel emotional because I will miss my colleagues.
What are your plans after retirement?
I plan to spend time with my family and do social work.
Will you stay in the same city after retirement?
Yes, I will stay in the same city.
Do you want to spend more time with your family?
Yes, I want to spend more time with my family.
Will you do any social work after retirement?
Yes, I will do some social work.
Will you receive a pension from the government?
Yes, I will receive a monthly pension.
What retirement benefits will you get?
I will get a pension and other retirement benefits.
How did you perform your duty during your service?
I always try to do my duty honestly and sincerely.
Have we planned a farewell party for you?
Yes, you have planned a farewell party for me.
When is the farewell party?
The farewell party is on Friday.
Will you come to the farewell party?
Yes, I will definitely come to the party.
What advice would you give to young employees?
I would advise young employees to work honestly, respect time, and follow the rules.
Why is it important to respect time?
Respecting time helps us become disciplined and successful.
What should employees never ignore?
Employees should never ignore the public's problems.
Will we miss you after your retirement?
Yes, you will miss me after my retirement.
What does retirement mean to you?
Retirement means I am retired, not tired.
Do you think honesty is important in government service?
Yes, honesty is very important in government service.
What message would you like to give to new employees?
My message is to work sincerely and serve people honestly.
What do you wish for a retired person?
I wish a retired person a happy and healthy retired life.